Hi children, good morning. I hope you all are doing good. Now we will study playing with numbers. Okay? Then take out the page number 30. What is an abacus? Okay. Abacus has many iron rods on a wooden base. abacus में लकड़ी के ऊपर आधार पर कई लोहे की छड़े रहते हैं. These spikes are made as ones, tens, etc. तो ये जो स्पाइक्स मतलब जो खिला टाइप का लोहा का जो रॉड है उसी का ऊपरी नाम है वंस, टेंस. द abacus shown below shows one bead on the tens spike and two beads on the ones spike. See, one bead on the tens spike, two beads on the ones spike. 110 plus 2 ones is equal to 12. Observe the following spike abacuses. See, one bead on the 10 spike, 10 is equal to 110 plus 0 ones. Next, see, one bead on the 10 spike, 1, and 3 beads on the 1 spike. Right here 3. So 1 3 13. 110 plus 3 ones. 1 tens, 110 and 4 ones. See, 1 bead on the 10 spike and 4 beads on the 1 spike. So 14. 110 plus 4 ones. Follow me. See, 110, 110 plus 2 ones, 12. See, 110 plus 0 ones make 10. 1 bead on the 10 spike and 3 beads on the 1 spike. 13. Make 13. 110 plus 3 ones is equal to 13. Next, 110 and 4 ones is equal to 14. Number 1, exercise 2b, page number 31. Read the following abacuses and write the numbers in the given space. Number A. This. Follow me. See, one bead. See, one bead on the tens spike and one bead on the ones spike. So 1 1 11, 1 10 plus 1 1. Number B. See, one bead on the 10 spike. See, 1 and 2 beads on the 1 spike. 1 to 12. Right here 1 to 12 is equal to 110 plus 2 ones. Next, see, one bead on the 10 spike and 1 2 3 4 5 beads on the 1 spike. So Write here 1 5 15 is equal to 110 plus 5 ones. Next D. 1 bit on the tens spike. So write here first 1 and 1 2 3 3 bits on the ones spike. So write here 3 13 110 plus 3 ones. Next 1 bit on the tens spike and 1 2 3 4 4 bits on the ones spike. 1 4 14 110 plus 4 ones. Next 1 bit on the tens spike. So write here first 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 bits on the ones spike. So write here 6. So 110 plus 6 ones. Next, number 2. Draw bits on the following abacuses to show the given numbers. Follow, children. One 9 19. Draw 1 bit on the tens spike. So I draw 1 bit on the tens spike and 9 bits on the 1 spikes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Next, 1 bit draw. Okay, draw 1 bit on the tens spike and draw 5 bits on the 1 spikes. 4 5. Next, draw 1 bit on the tens spike and 2 bits on the 1 spike. Next, draw 1 bit on the tens spike and 7 bits on the ones spike. Next, draw 1 bit on the tens spike and draw 3 bits on the 1 spike. Draw 1 bit on the tens spike. Draw 8 bits on the ones spike. Five, 6, 7, 8. Next, draw 1 bit on the tens spike Draw 4 beads on the one's spine. Draw 1 bead on the 10 spike. Draw 6 beads on the 1's spike. 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, draw 2 beads on the 10th spike. Is 20. So children, learn and practice very well. Tata.